Hey guys, so it's been a hot minute, but yeah, I finally have it in me to vlog, but I'm about to go, you can't see it, about to go into Ulta. I have my hair appointment. Hopefully I leave significantly blonder, but before I forget, I got to medicate. Gotta take a meds now. Can I figure out how to work this thing? Jesus. Ah, hang on. There we go. Stay. There we go. Cool. Now it's time for meds. Personally, I have to keep all my meds in my car because that's the only way I remember to take my morning drugs. I'm like in my car like every day. So even if it's not directly at the morning, you know, I still get it like earlier in the day. Like right now it's like 10:52. And then all I have to worry about is I need more of this. Right, you can't see anything important on there.
More my Lexi's in my car, cause I'm a depressed mess, which is why I haven't vlogged.
But yeah, here's my taster today. Fucking Alani. I actually haven't had an energy drink in a hot minute. It's been like 2 weeks, I think, so you know, if I get the jitters, I get the jitters, which will be great for sitting in a chair for like, you know, 2.5-ish hours, but yeah. But yeah, my appointment's in like 7 minutes, so I'm just gonna go head in and I'll see you guys about So I am significantly blonder and I'm loving it. Like, I think this is finally where like I want to go. It's really bright, so I think I'm just gonna do my roots for now on. I don't know if I want a little bit warmer next time, but I like this a lot. So about to head into Aldi and get some grocery shopping done as soon as I find my damn quarter. Okay, now that I'm home, it is lunchtime for the menaces. So we're gonna give them lunch and then we'll do a grocery haul. I only spent maybe a little, I don't know, I have to do the math. It was roughly $100 for everything that I got. So it was actually a lot. There were some good deals at Kroger and did a lot at Aldi. Ow. Plus also whenever like I track what I'm spending as I spend, crazily enough, I don't spend as much. So yeah, feeding the babies and then we will do a whole ass grocery haul. Sammy, that's not your bowl. Sammy. That's not your bowl. That's your sister's bowl. This is yours. Hey. Hey. Come on, Dee. No, not you. Your sister. There you go. Go girl. Eat it, punk. So this entire table stuff, I'll put the exact total down below, but it was around 100. Got Nutri-Grain bars, lettuce, grapes, strawberries, apples, tomatoes, ciabatta rolls, everything bagels, 12-grain bread, gallon of milk, pita crackers, pineapple, cream of mushroom, Alfredo, tuna, garlic bread, barbecue chips, veggie chips, lesser evil popcorn, flatbread pizza, a big thing of the Healthy kombucha, a thing of Powerade. Come around. Thing of Crush, Sunkist, Mountain Dew, got some ham, block of Colby, sliced Colby Jack, brick oven, cheese, Ritz, Fiber One brownies, and ground beef. So, a good haul. All right, now that I'm home and settled in, it's time to do the last fun parts of this weekend, which is going to be a lot of laundry. Well, there's a mysterious load in the wash, so we're just gonna make sure that's all nice and clean. And we're just gonna do it like on short, so should be done in about 20 minutes. So there's that.
Take a look out the window. Spirit goes shoes up as the rain falls down. I've been sailing on the wrong course, keeping it together like I did before. Think that I've said this a few times. Even with that, has it ever felt right? I swear that this has happened every moment. Can I just be honest? I was only wondering if maybe we could take it to a different conversation. Things will get uncomfortable, but only if we make it. I just wanna say that, but you'd rather take it all back. Although you are sunlight, you stay in the shade. I'm dancing in a corner just to get a space, cause I wanna believe that. Ooh, I get lost, you go with your day. Slowly get closer, but you're moving away. I know it's just a recap, but I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Maybe it's time to get home. Think that it's going a little too far, even after all the white noise. Oh, I still wanted to restart. Give while you're taking my time. It feels like I'm patiently waiting in line. So can we ever have another moment? Can you just be honest? I was only wondering if maybe we can take it to a different conversation. Things will get uncomfortable, but only if we make it. I just wanna say that. Still, you'd rather take it all back. Although you are sunlight, you stay in the shade. I'm dancing in a corner just to get a space, cause I wanna believe that. Ooh, I get lost, you go with your day. Slowly getting closer, but you're moving away. I know it's just a recap, but I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Bring it back, bring it back, cause I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Bring it back, bring it back. Oh, I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Bring it back, bring it back, cause I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Bring it back, bring it back. For you are sunlight, you stay in the shade. I'm dancing in a corner just to get space, cause I wanna believe that. Ooh, I get lost, you go with your day. Slowly getting closer, but you're moving away. I know it's just a recap, but I'm sure you'll never see that.
My camera died, so. But I did finish deep cleaning my living room. I dusted everything. The only thing I haven't gotten to yet is steam mopping, but I think I just wanna, I don't know. We haven't opened up the box for the steam mop yet, so probably wait for Kyle to do that. But yeah, like everything is cleared off and nice and wonderful, so that's a huge plus. I think it's time for me to swap around laundry and putting another load and just fold whatever's in the basket now, and then I can just relax for a little bit because I've been like go doing things all day, and it would just be nice to, you know, sit down, watch a few videos or something.